Hello again, everyone. This is Paxton Smith at realtimemath.com, your link to live online math help. And in today's arithmetic series video, we're going to be looking at GCF. Now, GCF stands for greatest common factor. In a previous video, we went over the LCM, lowest common multiple. Try not to get these confused. The LCM is the smallest number that your two numbers in question will go into evenly. Now for the GCF, we're looking for the largest, the greatest common factor that will come out of, in this case, 24 and 9 evenly. So with LCM, the numbers go into it evenly. With GCF, you're looking for the biggest number to come out of these numbers evenly. In a previous video, we went over prime factorization. So what I've done is, again, whether you're doing LCM or GCF, you're going to start and do the prime factorization of both numbers, or if you have more than two, all of your numbers. So with prime factorization, you go ahead and you just start writing a factor tree and breaking down the number until you get all primes on the end of your branches. And I should mention, it does not matter what way you do it. If you start with 12 and 2, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, it doesn't matter. As long as you go to get all primes, it will come out to be the same prime factorization either way. So here I started with 3 and 8, and I circled 3 because it's prime, and 8 became 2 times 2 times 2. Again, make sure you get all prime numbers at the ends of your branches or something isn't right. And with 9, well, that one's pretty simple. It breaks down into 3 times 3, and 3 is prime. Again, what makes a number prime? No number other than 1 and itself will come out of those numbers 2 and 3 that we see here. So here you have the prime factorization of 24. It is 2 cubed times 3, and 2 cubed, as you know, is 8 times 3 gives us back to the original 24, and 9 is 3 squared. So for the GCF, the greatest common factor, here's what you want to do. With GCF, you're looking for the overlap. You're looking for which numbers in both of these lists of prime factorizations, what occurs in both of those. Okay, we're looking for the overlap. So if you look at 9, you'll notice there are no 2's in this list whatsoever. So we're not going to choose any of these 2's here. Okay, and now you notice that when you look at the 3's, well, the top one has 3, which is really 3 to the first power. The bottom one has 3 squared, so that means there are 2 3's there. Okay? Well, the overlap is simply going to be this one value of 3. That is the only number in this list that occurs in both of these. Okay? You wouldn't choose your 3 squared because you only have 1 3 in the top one. So again, take the overlap, take what occurs in both. So that means for 24 and 9, our GCF, our greatest common factor, turns out to be 3. And there you have just found the GCF between two numbers, 24 and 9 in this case, and that is 3. Again, that's the biggest number that you can divide out of 24 and out of 9 evenly. And in our next video, we're going to take a look at reducing or simplifying fractions. And that's why you'd want to be able to find the GCF. That will make simplifying fractions happen in one step. If you know the largest factor to take out, you can simplify your fractions in just one step. So tune in to the next video to look at simplifying fractions. From there, we'll be looking at adding and subtracting fractions that have different denominators. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Again, I'm Paxton Smith at realtimemath.com. Check out the site if you'd like some live online math help. Take care, and we'll see you soon.